Hello everyone, I just received my new Scrawlrbox for the month of September. But first of all, I want to show you that the Scrawlrbox customer service is excellent. As you might remember, last month I did not get my little pencil in my box, so I just sent them an email and they sent it right away. I told them they could have put it in this box, but no, they sent it right away with a new sticker and a piece of candy, so I thought that was a really nice touch. Thank you, Scrawlrbox, you guys are awesome. So I'll be trying this one. I don't know if I'll include it in this challenge or do it off camera, but anyway, I can't wait to try it. Now for what's in this month's box. It's a bit light, but it doesn't mean anything. Ooh, so black. I don't know, I wonder if it's Inktober before October. Oh, that's so cute. Damian Rozanski from Poland painted this. What kind of paper do we have this month? Feels like regular cartridge paper. It's warm. See if you compare to this. It's warm white. Alrighty, let's see what we have this month. Notice that the little sticker is black instead of blue. And the big one is too. Ah, cool. Yeah, it's gotta be inking supplies. And we start with Sarasa Porous Pen. Ooh, I got ink on my finger. That's because this lost its cover. Alright. So anyway, let's see what this is. It's a liner. Black. It's probably a 03. I'm guessing, because there's nothing on the pen itself. It's all black. Everything's black in here. Look at this. Pigma BB. I love those. They're great. It's another pen, and this one is really fat, and it's a brush pen, and the tip is very squishy. It's really cool, and you can cover big surfaces with it. Edding 2200C permanent marker, water resistant on virtually all material. It's a chisel tip. Yet another Stabilo pen, 68. I don't know how many of those I have now, but that's the fat one, the 68 is. And then we have a CD, DVD, BD pen. Centropen. 1mm tip and 2.5 round. Okay. I guess it's probably a permanent pen if it writes on CDs and DVDs and all that. Ooh, even the candy's black. Ooh, that's cool. Blackjack. Is it licorice? I wonder. Again? here's an art line stick, and I'm gonna show you something. So yes, Scrawlrbox has sent us already those guys, a black one included, but I have two. I've only used it for the challenge that I did for the Scrawlrbox that sent me this. So this year, so many times we've received items that Scrawlrbox has already sent. It's just not funny anymore. Alright, and then we have a Derwent Graphic Line Maker, it's 0.5, and it's light fast pigment ink. And a Pentel color brush. I don't know how many I've got of these now. It seems like I got quite a few through art supplies boxes. So I'll see if I have this exact one, because if I do, I'm not gonna remove the ring. Usually you just remove the ring and then put it back in, and it's just gonna pop a little opening, and then the ink will flow. But if I already have one of those, I'll probably use the one that's already open or ready to use, and I'll save this one. So that's it. Everything's in black, and the theme, the challenge for this month is Jazz Noir. I don't know what that means, but it's black. Everything's black. So I'm gonna try these out, and then I'll make something with them. Don't know what yet. Something black. I found my other Pentel brush, so I decided to use the old one instead, but I realized that I was either running out of ink or maybe the ink was all dried out. I need to double check that, so I ended up using the new one anyway. And I didn't want to waste the nice paper that came in the box, so I used a plain, simple sketchbook for my test. I don't really know what to say. All those markers and pens and brushes, they're really nice. All in all, it's a pretty nice box. However, it's becoming very annoying to receive the same things over and over again. In May 2016, I received a Pentel brush pen from Scrawlrbox, and in November of the same year, I got those art line sticks. On top of that, it's not the first time this has happened this year. So now I'm starting to wonder if I've been a subscriber for too long, and it's probably time for me to stop receiving this box. And it's too bad, because there are a lot of nice supplies coming in, but if I'm gonna get the same thing on a regular basis, then I don't think it's worth it. So here's my plan. I'll wait till the end of this year, and then I'll decide whether I continue the subscription or not. Okay, so back to these lovely pens. Once I was done trying them out, I used a water brush to see if they were water soluble or not. And because I used a very thin, very absorbent sketching paper, the result was not conclusive really. It seemed like most of these pens were waterproof, which I know most of them aren't. For instance, I've used the Pentel color brush a lot, and I know that this one is really water soluble, and it's actually really beautiful. And on my sketching paper, it didn't show that. So I'd say that about half of these pens are water resistant and half are not. Now you'll see that for the challenge I was not super inspired. I took the challenge really literally, and I just did a little doodle just for fun. It's just hard. It's not necessarily the color. I mean, most of them are beautiful, and there are some warm blacks and some cool blacks, and they go really well together. But it's just, there's 8 pens, and I'm not complaining. It's really cool that there's so many pens and markers, but using them all in the same drawing, it's kind of difficult. So that's why I just did a little simple doodle just to have fun. Thank you everyone for watching. Sorry for my little rant. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.